We would like to thank everyone in this beautiful venue for gracing this momentous celebration. As they say, you only get to be 18 once. But before that we step onto the much higher level of what we call life. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back. We witness this spectacular night of his life. Enjoy your party for tonight. By the way, my name is Carson. I am very much honored to be your Master of Ceremonies for tonight. Tonight is a celebration, it's adulthood, and thanksgiving of the life God is giving to our lovely habitat. My request to everyone to please stand and put our hands together as we welcome the main highlight of this celebration and as she steps into higher level of life and now. Guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, our habitat and the most waited part, I am honored to present to you the loveliest lady. Tonight, our habitat Miss Angelica, with the escort of the brother of Indoy.
just like a dream. In your eyes, I see the future clear. I want to believe, but I'm filled with fear. Like Cinderella, dreams are soaring high. Believing in miracles, wishing on the stars.
Pwede na nilang patayin yung kandila.
Even if this night fades away, love will stay. I hold it in my heart, waiting for you every day. When the bell of fate starts to ring, a glass slipper remains the proof of everything. In this cold, empty room alone, I remember the warmth of your smile that shone. Like Cinderella, dreams are soaring high. Believing in miracles, wishing on the stars. Even if this night fades away, love will stay. I hold it in my heart, waiting for you every day. When the bell of fate starts to ring, a glass slipper remains the proof of everything. In this cold, empty room all alone, I remember the warmth of your smile that shone. Like Cinderella, dreams are soaring high, reaching out my hand, hoping you're nearby. Even if this night fades away, love will stay engraved in my heart, knowing we'll meet someday. The glass slipper will never break apart. Our bond is strong, it ties us heart to heart. Even if the world changes its way, I believe in the future we'll walk one day. Final little shining with pure
Tita
light.
Con.
Alright, next is Tita Connie.
Destiny's thread will pull us tight. Now the dawn is breaking, but the dream won't end. With you by my side, a new morning will begin.
Alright, thank you so much. And, this is our,
Rose ka. Okay na.
Alright, thank you so much. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I just want to let you know our next syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan the beautiful mother who spent years growing up in a happy home. We have several friends, classmates, and social circles. But there is only one family who is always willing and ready to welcome us to the once again, ladies and gentlemen, hindi mo natin isa. Kasi kami ang tumayo, tumayo, the beautiful, the brightest, the brightest, the brightest,
In the silence of the morning, the sun awakens and opens the world in colors. Each ray is a hug, a promise, and life dances to the sound of the winds. Beautiful life, how beautiful you are. Woven into threads of hope and stars. Every day is a gift, every day is a gift to paint with love.
Hi Apong, happy 18th birthday. Ayan, yung pinapangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng debut, binigay sa'yo ng mama mo. Kahit alam mo na nag-iisa lang siyang itinataguyod kayo, pero sa pagmamahal niya sa'yo, ipinagkaloob niya sa'yo ang pagkakataong maranasan mo na makapag-birthday ka ng ganyan. Kaya Apong, pakiusap, huwag mo yung pababayaan ng mama mo, anumang mga pagsubok, lagi mo siyang aalalayan dahil siya lamang ang isang tanging mama na itinataguyod kayo. Kahit wala siyang katuwang, nakakapag-aral ka, kaya wag mong sayangin ang ipinagkaloob sa iyo na makapag-aral ng college. Magtapos ka Apong upang maganda ang kinabukasang nag-aantay sa iyo. Anumang naririnig mo sa paligid mo, wag mong intindihin. Ipakita mo na makakapagtapos ka, na mabibigyan mo ng kasiyahan ang mama mo, na makapagtapos ka at magkaroon ka ng magandang kapalaran. At kapag nakatapos ka, tulungan mo ang mga kapatid mo. Huwag mong pababayaan, maging mabuting ate ka sa kanila. Huwag kayong mag-aaway, magmahalan kayo. At higit sa lahat, kapag kailangan ng tulong ng mama nyo, kahit hindi sabihin sa inyo, kayo na ang magkusa. At higit sa lahat, Apong, huwag mong pababayaan ang pagsamba. Lagi kang manalangin kapag nakararanas ka ng mga pagsubok. Unang lapitan mo ang Diyos, umaga, tanghali, o kung saan ka man naroroon. Kailangan mo ng gabay at tulong ng Ama, hindi ka pababayaan kapag lagi kang nanalig sa Kanya, pagkakalooban ka ng magandang kapalaran. Again, happy birthday Apong, I love you.
Hello, Je. Magandang gabi dyan sa inyo. Pero dito umaga pa. Pasensya na kung ganito kami. hindi kami hindi kami okay ngayon. May karamdaman kami. Pero dahil ito importante sa'yo, Ah, happy 18th birthday. At wala naman kaming ibang wish sa'yo kung hindi makatapos ka muna ng pag-aaral mo. Itong 18th birthday mo na tinatawag din natin Dibo, once in a lifetime. Pinagsumikapan ng mama mo para mangyari ito at sana masaya ka. Pero sana wag mong kalimutan kung ano rin ang pangarap niya sa'yo. So sana makatapos ka din muna ng pag-aaral mo. At malay natin balang araw, magkakasama din tayo dito. So, happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang. At sana maging masaya ka.
Hello, JJ. Tulad nga ng sabi ng tita mo, happy 18th birthday. Yun nga, kahit nagsosulo lang sa paghahanap buhay ang mama mo, tinaguyod, makatawid ka upang ipagdiwang ang iyong kaarawan. At sana suklian mo lahat ng kabutihan ng nanay mo. Yung pagbo-boyfriend mo, nandyan lang yan. Hindi naman mawawala yan. Sana makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. At pag makatapos ka, makatulong sa mama mo. Lagi mo tignan kung paano nagsasakripisyo nanay mo sa inyong tatlong magkakapatid. At unang-una lang sa lahat, yung sana kung totoo nga, nagkumuha ka ng tungkulin, huwag mong bibitawan yan. Yan ang totoong magtutumibay sa'yo. At lagi ka na lang magpanata kung anong magiging desisyon mo sa buhay mo. Bago ka magdesisyon, ipanalangin mo, ipagpanata. At andyan naman mama mo. Sa tanong mo, magtanong ka sa mama mo kung tama ba yung desisyon mo sa buhay. Mag-ingat ka lagi. Happy 18th birthday. Sa susunod, mga dalang araw, yun nga, sabi ng tita mo, makapunta kayo dito, makasama namin kayo lahat. Dito na rin tayo lahat magse-celebrate ng yung mga birthday. Enjoy kayo dyan. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Jeje. We love you. Love ka na yung tito, love ka ni tita.
Bye.
Happy 18th birthday, JJ. Sana pagbutihan mo ang iyong pag-aaral para sa ganon, maganda ang maging future nyo. At sana maging responsible ka para gayahin ka ng iyong mga kapatid. At ganon, pag kayo ay mga nakatapos, sana matulungan nyo rin ang inyong nanay para sa ganon, magtulungan kayo at makaragos kayo sa araw-araw. Lagi kayo mag-iingat, gabayan sana kayo ng Diyos.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear JJ. Happy birthday to you. 18
Birthday!
18 birthday. 18 birthday.
Happy birthday, Je!
Happy birthday. Mahagita po.